Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change a U-joint on a Ram 2500. First, ensure your truck is safely lifted and secured on jack stands. Then, you'll need to remove the wheel, followed by the brake caliper and rotor to gain access to the axle. Use a 34mm socket to carefully remove the large axle nut. Don't forget to detach the wheel speed sensor and the 4 hub bolts before you can pull out the axle shaft. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now, let's get that old U-joint out. The first step is to locate and remove the C-clips that hold the U-joint caps in the yoke ears. A helpful trick is to tap the U-joint cap with a hammer to relieve pressure on the C-clip, making it easier to remove. You can then use a ball joint press or a sturdy vise and a hammer to press out the old U-joint caps. Once the old joint is out, thoroughly clean the yoke ears with a wire brush to ensure no debris interferes with the new installation. With the old U-joint removed and the yoke clean, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new U-joint cross into the yoke, making sure all the tiny needle bearings stay perfectly in place within the caps. Then, using your press or vise, gently press in the new U-joint caps, one at a time. Ensure the C-clip grooves are fully exposed so you can securely install the new retaining clips. After installation, always check that the U-joint moves freely without any binding. You're almost done? Now, reassemble everything in reverse order. Carefully slide the axle shaft back into place, followed by the hub, brake rotor, and caliper assembly. Torque the axle nut to a crucial 263 foot-pounds for proper wheel bearing function. The hub bolts should be tightened to 146 foot-pounds. If your new U-joint has a grease fitting, give it a good pump of grease. Finally, take your Ram for a test drive to ensure everything operates smoothly and quietly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.